In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to verify your identity on Uber. Let's get started. First, launch your Uber application. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Accounts tab. Once you're over here, at the top right, you're going to find your profile icon. Click on that. With that, you will be directed to this page. Here you're going to find this section, Complete Your Account Checkup. Click on Begin Checkup. Uber will guide you through the verification steps required for your account. Depending on your account and location, you may be asked to verify your phone number, confirm your email address, or complete additional security checks. As you continue through the process, Uber may ask you to provide additional information such as uploading a valid government-issued photo ID, taking a real-time selfie to confirm your identity, or verifying a payment method by linking a valid credit or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your account details to avoid delays. Once you have completed all the required verification steps, submit your information and wait for Uber to review it. After your identity has been successfully verified, you'll be able to continue using your Uber account with access to any features that require identity verification. And that's how you can verify your identity on Uber. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.